Hey guys, today we're going to be setting up the Roman Gravel F25 with our big bore light valves. First things first, let's get that front wheel out. Now we're going to remove the valve and give the rim a quick freshen up with some glue and sealant remover. Now we're going to remove the original rim tape and replace it with some Muc-Off tape. As these gravel rims are pretty wide, we've got our 28mm rim tape. I'm going to unbox this and simply tape the rim. Start by locating the valve and overlap by a few spoke holes. Make sure you keep your tape nice and taut as you stretch it onto the rim, and then we're going to trim the rim tape in a point. Now we just need to make a little pilot hole in the rim tape to help locate the valve. Now we're going to deconstruct our big bore and insert it into the rim. Pop the tyre back on the rim, give it a quick blast of air to seat the bead. Now we're going to seat the bead with the Airmac Electric Mini Inflator Pro. Dial it up to 50 psi and off we go. We're now going to inject 80 mils of sealant into our 45mm gravel tyre. It's now time to finally inflate the tyre properly. We're going to put around 26 psi in there. Pump on the big bore, open the valve and inflate. And then to copy our friends at EF Education, we're going to bounce the wheel. And that just helps to ensure the sealant makes it into every part of the tyre. Right, now we're going to pop the front wheel back in the bike and then repeat the process on the rear. The only difference here on this bike is it has a classified rear hub, which is essentially the front mech and a dual chainring in the rear hub. If you've never seen one of these hubs in action before, it's essentially a front mech in your rear hub. So at the moment, we're pedaling and we're going to press the blipper and that's gone into the little ring. You'll see the cadence goes up and we're going to pop it back in the big ring. And it slows down. Quite cool, instantaneous shifts. Now that the front's done, we're going to repeat the process on the rear, tyre off, clean the rim, new tape on, big bore in, new sealant. I've gone for the blue valves today. Let me know in the comments below what colour you would have chosen. But there we go. One Roman Gravel F25 set up with a big bore light valves.